Ever thought of visiting Phuket? Before you pack your bags, let's dive into the intriguing history of this island paradise. Nestled in the azure waters of the Andaman Sea, Phuket's story is as vibrant as its landscapes. Centuries ago, it was a bustling trading route between India and China, a beacon for merchants drawn to its wealth of tin and rubber. And this wasn't just a passing phase. Phuket's tin mining era spanned several hundred years, shaping the island's economy and society in profound ways. But the tapestry of Phuket's past isn't woven with tin alone. The island is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from far and wide leaving their indelible marks. Stroll through the old town, and you'll find yourself admiring Portuguese-style buildings, a testament to European traders of yore. The Chinese shrines peppered across the island remind us of the strong Chinese influence. Now that we've uncovered the past, it's time to explore present-day Phuket. Phuket isn't just any other island. It's a place where natural beauty meets vibrant culture. Imagine stepping onto white sandy beaches, the sun kissing your skin, the sound of waves lapping at your feet. These breathtaking beaches are just the beginning of the Phuket experience. As the sun sets, Phuket transforms into a bustling hub of nightlife. In districts like Patong, the night comes alive with colorful street markets, pulsating nightclubs, and lively bars. The energy is contagious and the night is always young. Venture further inland and you'll find lush rainforests waiting to be explored. These verdant landscapes are a testament to Phuket's untouched natural charm. They're a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. But Phuket is not only about the beaches or the nightlife, it's also a place steeped in history and culture. The island's rich cultural heritage is evident in its beautiful temples, historical landmarks, and local traditions. From the turquoise waters to the lively streets, there's something for everyone in Phuket. Ready to explore? Phuket is teeming with attractions that are sure to make your visit memorable. Let's dive into some of the most frequented spots. First off, we have Patong Beach, a vibrant playground of sand and surf, where the fun never seems to set with the sun. It's the perfect spot for those seeking a lively beach experience. Next, take a step back in time in Old Phuket town. Its colorful Sino-Portuguese buildings tell stories of a grand past, and the bustling weekend market brims with local goodies. Then there's the Big Buddha, a majestic 45-meter-tall statue perched atop Naked Hill. A visit here offers tranquility and panoramic views of Phuket. Finally, the Phi Phi Islands, a short boat ride away, offer breathtaking beauty and world-class diving opportunities. Each of these places has its own charm, making Phuket a destination that caters to all tastes. Hungry for more? Phuket's local cuisine is a feast for the senses. And guess what? There's a perfect time to enjoy all these. Let's start with the food. Phuket is a paradise for food lovers. The local cuisine is a tantalizing mix of flavors that are sure to tickle your taste buds. From the world-famous pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish bursting with flavor, to the spicy and sour tom yum goong soup, every dish is a culinary adventure. Street food in Phuket is an experience not to be missed, with vendors lining the streets serving everything from fresh fruit to sizzling skewers. But when is the best time to visit this gastronomic paradise? The dry season from November to April is ideal. This period offers the perfect blend of sunny days and cool nights, making it an excellent time to enjoy the beaches and local cuisine. Phuket is not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate, and with the right timing, your trip can be nothing short of perfect. Worried about getting around and finding a place to stay? Phuket has got you covered. Navigating through this island paradise is a breeze with multiple public transportation options. The local bus service, known as Song Theus, is an affordable and efficient way to explore the island's vibrant towns and picturesque beaches. For a more unique experience, hop on a tuk-tuk. These iconic three-wheeled vehicles add a dash of fun to your journey, letting you enjoy the scenic routes in a completely different light. As for accommodations, Phuket caters to every traveler's budget and preferences. From budget-friendly hostels that offer a sense of community, to luxury resorts that provide a tranquil retreat, the choices are endless. Whether you're a backpacker seeking a cultural exchange or a leisure traveler in search of opulence, you'll find a place that feels just like home. With convenient transportation and a wide range of accommodations, Phuket makes your stay as comfortable as possible.